Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that you've learned about some classic cheesy Hungarian dishes, let's explore even more local cheeses, foodie secrets and regional specialties. Let's keep going. Cheesy Hungarian cuisine, must-try dishes, local cheeses and foodie tips. Hungary's love for cheese goes back centuries, shaping meals from family kitchens to busy market stalls. This unique cheese culture brings together old-world recipes and flavors you won't find anywhere else. Locals take pride in regional cheeses, whether creamy and mild or tangy and bold. Cheesy Hungarian food is popping up far beyond Budapest, thanks to its rich flavors and comfort factor. From classic cheese-filled pastries to rustic mains oozing with local favorites, there's so much to discover, whether you're a dedicated foodie or just hungry for something new. This video will guide you through the famous dishes, standout cheeses, and easy tips for tasting your way through Hungary's iconic food scene. The origin and evolution of cheese in Hungary. Hungary's cheesy traditions pack a story as rich as their flavors. The journey of cheese here runs deep, winding from the grassy plains of ancient times to bustling countryside markets. Every bite mirrors layers of history and a patchwork of cultures shaping Hungary's dairy scene. Early cheese traditions in Hungarian history. Cheese made its mark in Hungary long before modern kitchens and bustling markets. Nomadic Magyar tribes roaming the Carpathian Basin relied on sheep, goats, and cows to make simple, hearty cheeses that would last on long journeys. This connection to the land, and to resourceful cheese-making, set the foundation for what came next. Early cheese wasn't just about flavor, it was about survival and sharing. Families created soft, fresh cheeses from sheep and cow milk using natural rennet and time-tested methods. Techniques like fermenting milk in animal stomachs, drying cheese in the wind, and shaping curds with bare hands go back over 1,000 years. Key influences across the centuries included nomads and shepherds. Shepherds used what they had, mixing milk, rennet, and patience to create nourishing cheeses. They tweaked recipes based on the seasons and what animals were grazing nearby. Neighboring cultures. Hungarians traded ideas with neighboring Slavic, Turkish, and Austrian settlers. These influences tweaked flavors and methods, blending foreign know-how with local tradition. Cheese quickly became a staple in daily life, on farm tables, festive feasts, and in street markets. This early start laid the groundwork for the flavors Hungarians cherish today. Regional varieties and local innovations. No two cheeses in Hungary taste quite the same. The country is dotted with cheese-producing regions, each with its unique twist. Climate, animals, and even the wild herbs and local pastures help shape the flavor of every wheel and wedge. Some standout cheese regions include Great Hungarian Plain, Alfold. Traditionally known for tangy sheep's milk cheeses and Túró, curd cheese, that's mild and creamy. Locals often enjoy it fresh or lightly salted. Transdanubia. This lush western region produces buttery, smooth cow's milk cheeses. Soproni, a sharp semi-hard cheese, is one local superstar. Northern Mountains. Cooler air and rolling hills favor heartier cheeses. Here you'll find smoked varieties and richer, dense curds made from both cow and goat milk. Local innovations didn't stop at milk choice. Hungarian cheesemakers experiment with smoking, aging, and even spicing cheeses with native paprika or wild herbs. These tweaks give Hungarian cheese its unmistakable personality, rustic, homey, and always a bit surprising. Whether it's a street market in Győr or a family table in Szeged, Hungarian cheeses bring people together. Each variety tells a story about the land, its people, and the tradition that makes cheesy Hungarian food truly one of a kind. Iconic cheesy Hungarian dishes. Hungary is famous for dishes where cheese doesn't just act as a topping, it's the heart of the plate. Whether savory or sweet, these classics bring together simple ingredients and home-style methods for meals that satisfy every craving. Here's a closer look at some of the country's best-loved cheesy creations. Túróscsusza, Hungary's cottage cheese pasta. Túróscsusza is what many Hungarians call the ultimate comfort food. It starts with wide, homemade egg noodles tossed with tangy, crumbly Túró, cottage cheese. The noodles are cooked, then mixed with the cheese while still hot. Crispy bits of bacon or smoked salina get sprinkled on top, melting into every bite and adding a salty edge. Some people add a touch of sour cream, making the dish even richer. Túróscsusza is loved for its simplicity. Key ingredients: egg noodles, fresh Túró cottage cheese, bacon or salina, and sometimes sour cream. How it's prepared: boil the pasta, crumble on the cheese, mix in bacon, and bake it for a warm, bubbly finish. Why people love it? It's quick, affordable, and always feels like home. From Sunday family dinners to student kitchens, this dish never loses its charm. No fancy skills required, just hearty ingredients and real Hungarian flavor. Lángos, fried bread with cheese topping. Cheesy lángos holds a special place in every Hungarian's heart. Imagine fried bread with a golden, crisp edge and a chewy middle, steaming hot from the fryer. Vendors slather it with garlic butter, stack on a thick layer of grated cheese, usually Trappista or Edam, then sometimes add sour cream. Walk through any festival or market, and you'll spot lángos stands drawing big crowds. Each region hands down its own traditions. Classic toppings: garlic oil, sour cream, grated cheese. Regional twists: some add sausage, ham, or even spicy paprika. In the north, you might find smoked cheese melted on top. What makes it special? It's street food you eat with your hands, messy, cheesy, and unforgettable. Lángos is the food you crave after a night out or during a cold winter fare. Its wild popularity comes from the mix of good bread, creamy cheese, and the sense of celebration that comes with every bite. Rákóczi churros, the famous Hungarian cheesecake. Rákóczi churros is Hungary's sweet answer to cheesecake, rich, yet light on the palate. The treat goes back to the 1950s and is named after chef C. Rákóczi, who created this dessert for a Budapest restaurant. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.